A rickshaw puller paragraph. A rickshaw puller, a common sight on the bustling streets of many cities, is a hard-working individual who provides an essential mode of transportation for people. Often dressed in simple attire, with a weathered face reflecting years of toil, a rickshaw puller navigates through traffic with a sturdy cycle rickshaw, ferrying passengers to their destinations. The life of a rickshaw puller is characterized by long hours of physical labor. They use their own strength to pedal the rickshaw, often carrying not only passengers but also goods and luggage. Despite the challenges they face, rickshaw pullers play an integral role in the urban landscape, offering an affordable and eco-friendly mode of transport in congested areas. These individuals are not only skilled cyclists but also possess an intimate knowledge of the city's intricate network of streets and alleys. They weave through traffic with remarkable dexterity, relying on their experience to find the quickest routes. In rain or shine, they continue to provide their services, offering a convenient way for people to reach their destinations, especially in areas where motorized vehicles may struggle to access. The dedication of rickshaw pullers often goes unnoticed amidst the chaos of urban life. Yet, their tireless efforts contribute significantly to the local economy and the convenience of commuters. Society's reliance on their services calls for acknowledgement and appreciation, as they embody the spirit of perseverance and hard work, often making a dignified living through their labor-intensive occupation.